hands, come on.
I took a stroll down the old long walk in the day. I met a little girl and we stopped to talk on a fine top day. And I asked you, friend, what's a fella to do if her hair was black and her eyes were blue? And I knew right then I'd be taking the world down the Salt Hill Pond with a Galway girl. Halfway there when the rain came down on the day. And she took me up to her flat downtown on a fine south day. And I asked you, friend, what's a fella to do if her hair was black and her eyes were blue? So I took her hand and I gave her a twirl, and I lost my heart to a Galway girl. With a broken heart and a ticket home. And I ask you, friend, what's a fella to do